Burned out, anxious, struggling with energy and focus? There's one ancient root men are rediscovering, ashwagandha. This adaptogen's been used for over 3,000 years, and it's finally gaining mainstream traction for one reason: it works. What is ashwagandha? Ashwagandha, also called Withania somnifera, is a powerful herb known for reducing stress hormones like cortisol, improving energy, boosting testosterone, and even enhancing memory and mood. What are the benefits? Lowers stress and anxiety, supports healthy testosterone levels, enhances strength and muscle mass when paired with training, improves sleep and focus, may support thyroid health and reduce inflammation. Most clinical studies use 300 to 600 milligrams per day of KSM-66 or sensoril extracts. Take it with food, preferably in the morning or evening depending on your goals. Most tolerate it well, but in some people it can cause drowsiness, nausea, or gastrointestinal issues. It's not recommended for those with hyperthyroidism or autoimmune issues unless advised by a doctor. Will ashwagandha make me sleepy? It can promote calmness, but most find it balances, not sedates. Is it only for men? No, but men may especially benefit due to testosterone support. Can I take it daily? Yes, for up to 8 to 12 weeks. Cycle off for a week every few months. Does it help with workouts? Studies show improved strength, recovery, and muscle mass. This root's not hype, it's a powerhouse. If you're a man looking to take control of your stress, strength, and sleep, ashwagandha might just be your secret weapon. This video is for informational purposes only. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement.